All right, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Mozilla Backpack with your Moodle profile. Trust me on this. All right, so I have two tabs open. I have my Moodle profile open, and you have created an account in your Mozilla Backpack, and I have some badges in there, and you should have the Web Navigator badge as well. So in order to have Web Navigator show up on Moodle, you need to do a sync. So what you do is you click on the Collections tab at the top, and this is really where you can make groups of badges. So let's say, for example, these three right here, Sponsor, Power Outage, and Fire It Up, all were issued to me when I went to a staff development thing called the Minnesota iPad Summit. And so I made a group for all of those related to that one event. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a collection, and then you're going to make sure that that collection is checked to be public, because then it really truly will sync with Moodle. If you don't make it public, they just can't talk to each other. So you probably just have an empty space that says drag a badge here. So you're going to take your Web Navigator badge, and you can't click on the white spot or the yellow spot or the edges here. You want to really click right on the picture of it, and you drag it like this, and you drop it here. And then that's your start of your collection. I called mine my first badges. You can call yours whatever you want, but to change the name of it, you are going to just highlight where it says new collection and type right over that. And then you're going to put a check mark that says public. All right, that is what you need to do on the side of Mozilla. I'm actually going to delete this collection because I already have my Web Navigator badge in a collection. All right, now what about on the Moodle side? So when you're in Moodle, to get these to sync, like I have right here, you are going to go to your administration block. You are going to open by hitting the triangle, the badges area, and then you are going to click on Preferences. No, I'm wrong. All right, actually make sure that's checked if you click on Preferences. I don't know if that is checked by default. You want to go to Backpack Settings then after you check that box. Okay, so you are going to have an option here to connect to open badges. And I actually don't know what that looks like, but I think you're going to be able to figure it out. I think you're going to have to put this web address here. So you're going to go and back to here, and you're going to copy that web address right here, backpack.openbadges.org, and you're going to paste it as the URL. You're going to put your email address in there that you use to create your Backpack account for Mozilla. And then I suspect that your collections that have been made public are going to appear, and then you'll just put the check marks in front of them if you want them to show up in Moodle, and you will save your changes. Good luck. And when that Web Navigator badge gets on your Moodle page, submit to the assignment so I can see it. I'm going to be so excited.